Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we make travel easy and accessible to everyone. Today we're going to be embarking on a special journey. It's designed for a first-time solo traveler. My good friend is going to be traveling to Sacramento, California, out of Southern California for an event that is going on up there. And she asked me to give her some helpful information because she's terrified. She's never done it before. So she wants to know how to do it, and she's scared and she needs some clarity on how to do that. So we're going to embark on this special journey together. I'm going to guide my friend, and of course, all of you know how I fly. So it should be pretty simple to be able to help her navigate this way. And then also for you, if you're looking and you're a solo traveler and you don't do much traveling by airplane and understanding the hotels to get and how to rent a car, we're going to guide you through the same process as well. So we're going to be covering some of these things, the best flights and securing the hotels and rental cars, as I mentioned before. So let's buckle up and let's get started. All right. So the first part, flights. It's important to know when it comes to booking flights, some of the tools are going to be the key. What are the best deals? I recommend checking out websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights. You can also use a third-party site called Kayak. Let's use Google Flights as our go-to for this particular trip, though. So simply enter Los Angeles as your departure city and Sacramento as your destination city. As for the best time to book, aim for about 2 to 3 weeks out in advance. That's going to help you get the best rates and the most flexible dates. So you'll be able to lock in really good deals if you can book 2 to 3 weeks out in advance. For our trip, let's pick the flight that's midweek, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday. Her actual conference starts on Saturday morning, but she has some flexibility to be able to travel a little bit earlier if she wants to. So we're going to give her the option of being able to fly midweek or waiting until a little bit later, like a Friday night as well. But Tuesday or Wednesday is typically when you're going to find the cheapest days to fly. So looking up here now, we were able to find a round trip ticket for about $150 on Southwest Airlines. Actually, Delta has some of the same flights, and both are looking at offering flexibility and excellent service. So if you're in Southern California looking to go up to Northern California, I highly recommend you check out Southwest Airlines and then also Delta. In our previous video, we went over how to use the Southwest portal and being able to search your ticket and find your tickets. So once you get your trip booked as far as flights, now it's time to know where you're going to stay. So for convenience and comfort, I suggest using booking.com or Airbnb, but I like to use booking.com just for simplicity reasons and seeing what's available. But I also like to look at TripAdvisor, because TripAdvisor will actually show me what the actual people are saying about the particular hotels that I'm looking for. And then I'll use booking.com to be able to check for availability and rates. But TripAdvisor is really good. You get some really good pictures of the stay once you find the particular hotel that you're looking for. So whether you prefer to stay at a state capital or a cozy Airbnb midtown, the booking.com will be able to cover you. So let's go with booking.com for hotels. I'm selecting our dates and boom, looks like I was able to find the Hyatt Regency in Sacramento. and it looks like it's going to be only $200 a night. In the heart of the city, it's perfect for a first-time visitor. So, booking.com it is. So, now she's going to need to know how to get around in Sacramento. And it's really easy with a car. So, especially if you're looking to explore the city, I highly recommend you look at car companies like Herz and Enterprise, and Turo is also an option as well. Turo will allow you to be able to rent a luxury vehicle for a very feasible rate. So look at Turo.com. That's a platform where individuals are able to put their vehicles up for rent, and people like yourself and myself can rent their own vehicles from them off of the Turo platform site. It's a really great company to be able to use. You can also, you don't have to even, a lot of times you don't even have to meet anyone. They can actually be contactless, where you just go right up to the vehicle after you've put your information in the Turo site, and they'll remotely unlock the vehicle for you. They'll have a keypad outside of it, and you can just get in the vehicle and go. So it can be very, very easy to rent from Turo. So I highly recommend that one as well. I also like having a membership with Hertz. Hertz is a really great one as well, where you don't even have to go to the counter when you become a Hertz member. You can actually just go right to your vehicle and pick out the vehicle that you want. Once you become part of the President's Circle, you can pick out the vehicle you want and get in the vehicle. The key will be in the vehicle, and you'll just simply pull up to the gate with your ID, show your ID, and they will let you go on your way. So I recommend using Hertz or either Turo. And it looks like Turo has vehicles. Actually, let's go Hertz. Hertz has vehicles for only $50 a day. This is a great deal. Remember, booking in advance for any available discounts can also save you a lot. All right, so let's do a little recap. We were able to get her a Los Angeles to Sacramento round trip for only $125. We found a great hotel at the Hyatt Regency for only $200 per night. We were able to find a rental car for only $40 per day. So not too shabby for a first-time traveler, wouldn't you say? All right. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planning your solo trip from Los Angeles to Sacramento with a little bit of research, with the right tools, and the world is right there at your fingertips. Don't be afraid to fly. Use some of these different softwares and websites that we have laid out for you, and you, my friend, will be on your next solo travel adventure. Have a good one.